What's up, boys? I'm gonna be going over this break-even trade that I took today on NQ. It was kind of an unfortunate break-even, but we'll go over why. So first off, we'll go to the 4-hour. So no PD arrays on the 4-hour. Really had nothing to go off of on the 4-hour aside from market structure. So go down to the 1-hour. We have this 1-hour gap that was being respected, like at the time of market open. So this was holding. I was expecting a move higher. And let's see, we had these draws above, pretty relative, not relative equal highs, but low resistance liquidity here. Let's see, let's scale down to the 1 minute. And market open 8:30. So market opens, we kind of chop a little bit. We create this equal high right here, which is really a really good confluence if we come back down, because that's a nice take profit, a nice place to take profit, just because, you know, relative equal highs and all that. So we left that equal high, and we came down. So around here, we swept these two. We were in the macro, or we were about to enter the macro time frame, so I didn't want to take a trade. But if I were to take a trade here, probably would have been off this change of state of delivery and then this FVG inversion. But no trade there, so we just waited patiently. ES had already put in an SMT around 8 o'clock on Asia lows, but NQ, I guess, wanted to come down and take Asia lows, which is cool with me. So we take Asia low on the macro. Boom. No 1 minute PD arrays, or sorry, fair value gaps, I guess same thing. But no 1 minute fair value gaps in this leg. So we scaled down to the 30-second. And we have a 30-second fair value gap right here. So we came down here, swept Asia, then re-swept the internal low. Now we came higher, okay? So now we have a change of state of delivery right here. So CISD here, and we also have 30-second flip. So we enter right here. Is a pretty solid entry. We went break even at this high right here. Really nice break even for me. And then obviously targeting these equal highs. Literally have no idea how they didn't get hit out, man. That's so crazy. But I guess we just ended up stopping right here, which is only it's a 1-to-1. It's not bad. It's a 1-to-1, but really thought we were gonna get up to here. I wasn't even being greedy. It's just like equal highs, like that. It makes the most sense. It's the highest probability draw. But ended up not working. You know, we had all this low resistance liquidity built up here. So, but again, really expected us to hit those equal highs. And yeah, ended up getting stopped out. The reason I didn't exit was because of, for one, I wanted to keep my psychology, and two, we had multiple 1 minute gaps that I was expecting us to bounce off of, but we just ended up running straight through them, right to break even, and now we're just dumping off. So really weird price action today. I'm not gonna lie, but just glad we came out with a break even instead of a loss. You know, a win is ideal, but break even's fine too. Let's go to the P&L on the week. So obviously I had that win yesterday, posted a recap yesterday. Losing week last week, but we're looking to flip that. I honestly do feel like my psychology and my trading is getting a lot better, and I'm expecting myself to start flipping profitable pretty soon. It's just a matter of following my rules and, you know, just taking the best trades every day, staying patient and all that, which I've been doing a lot better at. So I did have a live trade of this, but somehow it got corrupt. Like I literally have no idea. But yeah, just didn't work. My PC's been acting a little weird recently, but that's basically it for today. Yeah, might post a recap tomorrow if I trade tomorrow. I have some things going on tomorrow, but yeah, I'll see you guys in the next recap.